Is your laptop shutting down unexpectedly? It could be overheating, a failing battery, or even a software glitch. Overheating is often caused by dust buildup in the vents, so regular cleaning is essential. If your battery is old, it might not hold a charge, leading to sudden shutdowns. And don't forget about software issues. Outdated drivers or malware can wreak havoc too. If you're facing these problems, don't stress. For quick and reliable solutions, call Sai Laptop Service at 997-244-7766. Your laptop deserves the best care.